Hey, Bubba Doo. Guess what? What's today?
Easter time.
It's Easter time? You like Easter time? Why?
I like Easter
Huh?
time.
Tell me
I
why.
like Easter time
Why do you like Easter time, Guy?
because
Because why?
the
Because what? Because what? Ah! Hey, he's hitting on me, Natalie.
John, that's enough. That's enough.
I know why I like Easter time.
Why?
I like it because you get to get all your toys.
You get toys? Where's the toys at? Go ahead and go get them.
I got
Not in your bedroom.
Go ahead.
They're out in the front room somewhere.
Natalie, go get them.
Natalie, go ahead and find your basket. That's not your basket.
Ooh. John, find your basket, Guy.
John knows where his basket is. Where's your basket, John?
Right there.
Well, go get it.
Shoo.
Find your basket, Natalie. Keep going over that direction. No, cold. Turn around.
Oh.
Turn around. Worm. Walk.
Good.
Warmer. Hot. Hot. You're getting hotter. Okay, bring it out
Natalie's got
here,
it.
John. Here, let me help him. Go over there, by Sissy.
Is it mine? But what are these right here?
You take them out and play with them.
What are these? What are these?
Those are little squishy balls. Sticky, squishy, gooey balls.
Can I play them?
Sure.
Do you want toys?
Yeah.
I don't want to put this
What's that in your hand, John? Tell Daddy what that is in
Did
your
Donna
hand.
get one of these?
Tell Daddy what that is in your hand. No, not over there. Get back over by your basket. Tell Daddy what it is.
What do you got, Guy?
He's worried about her basket.
John, what do you got, Guy?
Yuck.
A what?
Yuck.
Put it on.
This is
Isn't that
yuck.
yucky? It's sticky, huh?
Yes. I can't get off it. Hey.
Put your nose on, John.
Is it fun?
Yeah. Because you used to have one of these, but this is very easy to break.
It is. You'll be gentle with it. Do you know how to use it? Bring it here. I'll show you.
Hey. See mine?
Oops.
Hey, pretty.
His mouth doesn't open.
Well, what else? Well, I don't know what's fast. Seems pretty fast to me.
It's going boom, boom.
No,
It's
dude.
going boom, boom, boom,
Yeah.
boom, boom. That means there's 5 minutes left on the tape. Like this, John. Hold it by the back. Hold it like that. Hold it up.
Hey. You don't get me for these things.
John. Hey, boo-boo, look at Daddy. No, Guy. Are you getting Daddy?
Solid down.
Are you getting Dad?
Shogun, you have one too.
Look at our little
You
sissy.
have one too. Yuck. This is yuck.
Yuck.
Andrew Hughes and Natalie Marie Hughes.
And who are you?
And I'm Groucho Marx.
Well, you're ugly anyway.
And we're going to be going out for breakfast as soon as the kids find their animals. So you guys look for your animals. You have animals. John's is black. That was fast. She must have seen them before. Here, I'll get them down for you.
I can get it.
I'll get it. I don't want you falling on the computer.
Come on, my monkey.
Your monkey.
I like it.
Show Daddy your animals.
Don't go so close, Guy. Go
Stand
back
up
over
here by
there,
your
Guy.
buckets. Watch out. You step on the bed.
Wow, look at that, Natalie. What is that? John, what do you got,
This is a
Guy?
raccoon. A cute
A
raccoon.
monkey? You got gorilla, Guy. Oh, what a nice little raccoon. Let's kill it and make a hat out of it.
Watch.
Okay.
Yeah, like this. Watch. Turn around. Show Daddy. Turn around. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. How does that work?
The other way, honey.
This way?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, turn around and show him the back.
Got a raccoon hat. It's real good now, Tina. Okay. John, what do you got, Guy? You got a gorilla?
Show Daddy the front of it. His face. Show Daddy
Show me
his
the face, Guy.
No, the face of the monkey.
Show me the face of the monkey, not your face. Woo, look at that guy. Pick it up a little bit.
Mom, his face doesn't funny.